and clean. It's giving Rihanna well thought. It is. Who is she?
Yeah. TikTok this up. You look fat this up. Me love your curve them. Snapchat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Manda. So in today's video, I'll be doing the long-awaited SHEIN haul. I purchased a ton of stuff from them, and I'll be showing you guys my favorite pieces from, because it's a lot of stuff, so I don't even want to be showing you guys everything. So I'll be showing you guys my favorite pieces from the purchase. So if you're wondering, I'm gonna be telling you guys my body measurements. If you see any piece that I like and you want to like use me as a reference, or as a, if we have the same body type or whatever, you want to use me as a model. So my height is 5'4", my top size is medium, sometimes a large depending on how much stretch the material has, but a medium to large. My bra size is a 34D, if you're wondering. Bottom size medium, large, sometime between there. Yeah, so my shoe size is 40, which is 8.5 to 9 in US size. So it's 40 euro and 8.5 the US size. So that's my measurement. Basically, all I'm gonna do that video is make show you guys the bag first, and then the shades. I didn't really get, well, I got accessories, but because I made this purchase so long ago, you know, it's a fashion jewelry and I'm gonna change, so them change color. But I'm gonna show you guys the bag and the shades first, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I actually style the outfit, because when I'm watching Try On Haul, I rather like to see how you style the outfit than you just put it on and you just hold it up and talk about it. More want to the life in it, more want to the potential. So I am going to style the outfit so you guys could see, and then yeah, so I'm gonna show you the bag then first. And so the first bag is this Baguette. It is a knockoff, like a dupe for a name brand bag. Make I remember, if I remember which one it is, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but it is a knockoff. It is very spacious inside, very spacious. You could hold your phone, your wallet, your money, your keys, whatever. You guys could see the details on it. I don't know if it's crocodile or alligator, but yeah, it got one of them prints. It's leather, but I don't think it's real leather though. Obviously it wouldn't be real leather, but I really like this. This goes well with like full black outfit, black and black. Yeah, I'm gonna put a price on the screen so you guys could see how much it was for, because I don't remember off the back. I added them long time ago, but this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Okay, so the next bag is this clear box bag. It has this nice plastic chain as a handle, and you can hold it like a, they call it a, I don't want to say a clutch, but a handbag. You could also wear it as a clutch if you please, because you could take off, you know, you can take off the chain them. It comes with a long chain in it, you know, if you want to wear it as a side bag, you can. It is hard plastic, as you guys can hear, so be careful if you drop it, it feels like a broke. So yeah, these bags are in style at the moment. The clear plastic vibe bag is in style. You can hold your phone in it, your money in it, glass, whatever the case may be. But bear in mind that it is see-through, so whatever you put in it, people will see. So yeah. So the next bag is actually this straw-inspired bag. It is not straw. I think it is plastic based on how it feels. It feels like plastic. So yeah, it has this pearl handle we could wear, you know, as a handbag. I also have a crossbody bag, so if you want to wear it, you know, cross your body, you can. With the chain, it is fake, so you guys can see it's changing color over time, so don't expect it to not rust. So it is fake. Inside this bag is very spacious. You could hold, you know, everything that you need to. This bag is giving very much vacation vibe. Okay, so this is the next bag. This bag is a dupe for a luxury bag. I think it's Dolce & Gabbana. I can't remember, but I will definitely link it to the screen. I don't really care for luxury things, to be honest. Once it's cheap and it look good, count me in. I don't care for luxury things. I really like this bag. I regret not getting it in black because it's now sold out. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. The inside is very spacious like the others. You could hold whatever you want for all the night. Got a crossbody strap if you want to wear across your body, or you know, the handbag. With this bag, because it is white, you have to be extra careful with it because it gets dirty easily. I wore this with a leather pants, and like the leather from the pants kind of get onto it, so it's black here. It's not that visible, but you know, you gotta be careful with it. It's white, so you gotta be extra careful with it. But other from that, this bag is cute. It is cute. As I said, I regret not getting it in black because it is such a vibe. I mean, even though it's cheap, it still could look expensive. Period. So yeah, so that's it for this bag. Okay, so this is the next bag. It is actually like a hard plastic, I want to say. It's not leather or a fake leather, nothing like that. It is a hard plastic. It has this spacious too. You can hold your phone, whatever. I got lip gloss all over here, don't mind that. You can hold your phone and wallet, whatever. It has 2 compartments. You could put, you know, your small wallet there, whatever. With this bag now, I wore this bag out and like the boat strap pop on me, so that's kind of embarrassing. I mean, you get what you pay for, so don't explain on. What I did was I like opened the link and like push the chain through it and then connect it to the chain itself so it won't pop again. I did it for both sides, so you know, extra security so it don't pop again. It is cheap. I didn't pay more than like $6 for this, so no, it's not really a big deal for me. Yeah, really like the detail in the design, so that's cute. Yeah. Okay, so now for the shade. I only got 1 shade because I have a shitload of shades, so I don't really need any more. Just let me see, you know, what it's saying. So I've got this one, and these shades were actually in style, so I said, let me get it, just, you know, yeah. But this is the shade. It is rimless. This is also like a dupe for the Chanel shades that are in at the moment. This is what it's looking like. It's rimless, as I said. I got this in the color apricot. I thought it would be like a brown, but it's still cute or whatever. It's giving very bougie vibe, like the early 2000s, like especially with this hairstyle, like to the side. And you know, normally they don't have the flip ponytail, but I mean, I have on braids, so it's giving the early 2000s, late 90s vibe. What I love about Shein when ordering shades, based on watching other people review, I realized that each glasses comes with its own case, so you don't have to worry about protecting it. Once you take it off, you put it back in the case and you have it secured. Okay, so that's it for the bags and shades. So now I'm gonna show you guys each pieces that I got alongside how I would style them. Okay, so the first outfit is actually these pieces. This is like a turtleneck top. I got it in a size medium, which I think I should have get it in a small because the material is very stretchy, so it don't fit as fitted as I would want to. I would pair this outfit with these brown square foot heels. They're not too tall, so you don't have to worry about the height. And also this mom jeans. I don't know if you guys could see it completely, but definitely a must have. I actually wore this pants for my birthday, and ever since, like, I've been looking for a reason to wear this pants. It's not like your typical boyfriend jeans, it's a mom jeans, so it is kind of fitted, but at the same time it's loose, go all the way down. I got it in a size medium also. It fits perfectly. This is what the jeans is looking like paired with the heels. I got the heels in a size 40. My only complaint is I wish I got this in a size small because the material is very stretchy, which makes, you know, fit as tight as I would want to. But okay, so this is the next stop following the brown scheme. It is a crop top. I got it in a size medium, fits perfect. It also goes well with this outfit altogether again. So it is turtleneck. I don't know if turtleneck is coming back in style, but it's a vibe. I really like it, even though I'm kind of claustrophobic, so every minute I'm going to be like, but at the same time I really like it. It's giving a vibe. I would wear this to brunch with this same outfit, same shoes, same everything. It's really giving a nice lavish like vibe. So yeah. Okay, so this is the next outfit. In love. It is this marble print sheer top. I really love it. I got it in a size medium. It fits perfect. I really love how the sleeves like come down all the way to my wrist, because I hate when like they stop right here. It comes all the way down, which is perfect. I really love it. It's giving this marble acrylic vibe. I paired this top with this nice faux leather pants. I had to get it altered a little bit because the waist was a bit too big, so I get it like taken in an inch, and alongside the pants I get it taken half an inch. The foot of the pants I had to take it in an inch. So yeah, my only complaint with this pant is I wish it like up some more, but it isn't really a big of a deal. Otherwise from that, I really love this pant. It is faux leather, so don't expect it no real leather. Yeah, it is cute. It's giving a vibe. As Mr. Brown is in style and trending at the moment, so yeah. So the next top is this nice brown inside out crop top. It pairs well with this brown leather pants, but also paired with the brown heels just to keep in the color scheme, you know, the whole brown vibe. I got it in a size medium. It is stretchy. When ordering from these clothing sites, you definitely need to read the review just so you can know, you know, if it's the right sizing or whatever. Once you see they say like the material is stretchy, I would definitely recommend sizing down just so it could fit you as snug as you want to, if you like that, you know, tight fitting clothes like me. Okay, so the next top is this lovely blue top that I wore recently. I am so in love with this top. Like, I was iffy at first about it, then I said let me order it, and I regret not ordering this from the very moment I aside. It's giving very much vacation. I would definitely wear it with, like, you know, this straw bag. No, I really want this in every color there is. I'm in love with this top. Like, it's so nice. This with some red lipstick, it's giving Rihanna Wild Thoughts. It is. Okay, so the next top is kind of giving the same vibe as the next one. The loose fabric with the flowy arm. It is animal print. You know, animal print is in and in style. Everybody have animal print clothing, like literally everybody. It is in style. This I would wear with a leather pants. I would style it with a leather pants. I did got it in a size medium. It fit perfect to cover my boob. I'm a 34D, so you know it covered everything. If I put up my hand, there's some kind of safety, so I'm not worried about it flip all the way up and all over breast them out, so that's not a problem. So this is the next outfit. I actually wore this out like Friday night. This is a next leather pants that alongside with the brown pants, the brown leather pants. I did have to take in the waist a little bit, an inch. Again, like the brown leather, I wish like it wasn't so like flat. I wish it had come like up some more. I did got it in a size medium. I also got this top from them. This top is definitely in style and trending at the moment. I got it in a size medium. It fits perfect. This top pairs well with this leather pants. Like, everything is just chef kit. I did order this thinking that it had loops because I do have an next leather pants and it didn't have like any belt holes. So I ordered this thinking that it had belt holes, but apparently not. But that isn't really a big deal because, as I said, I got it altered and it's fit very perfect, like around my belly. It's a high waist, so yeah. Okay, so this is the heels. I got them in a size, what's the size? I think 40. They do fit comfortable. Like, you will see them and think, oh, those look uncomfortable, but sis, these are so comfortable. I did have them in white, but I preferred the black. So yeah. Okay, so the next item is actually this white top. I got some makeup on it just now and I'm putting it on, but that's no big deal. I mean, I'm gonna wash it. I got it in a medium, but I think a small could have worked, you know, just so it could have been like snugged, because it kind of loose, like a little bit loose. I really like the low cut at the back, you know, the square cut at the back. I like this V thing, but I just feel like it could have been a little bit tighter. It's slack. So the next item is actually this top. It is a black top. Like, I wouldn't say turtleneck, but it's like a round neck. I don't know. You can't really see that it is see-through a bit, only when you're up close and personal. This skirt, I didn't get it from SHEIN, but it has a SHEIN tag. I bought it locally, so I would assume that they got it from SHEIN. I'm not advertising that because I did not get it from SHEIN. These boots though, let's talk about them. You guys can't see them from me standing out, so I'll do a side view where you guys could actually see them. I purchased these boots for my birthday. These are some tie-high boots. They come all the way up. I got them in a size 40, which is like an 8.5, close to 9. They are tight. I should have got like a 41. This is actually like my first time ordering boots online, so I didn't know what size to get. So next time ordering, I definitely know I should get a 41 because these 40 are so tight. I could barely walk in them. Like, they are squeezing my ankles, like literally. Okay, so the first dress is actually this mini dress. It has a slit at the side. This dress is somewhat short, so you have to be very careful with it because if not, you know, you're going to show the goods. But I really love it. When you're in this, I would definitely wear the belly band. Like, a waist trainer or something because my belly is showing. I did get it in a size medium. It fits perfect. There isn't any complaint. I would wear these heels with it because you know it's black and black and black. These heels are very uncomfortable, I must say. They are cute, don't get me wrong. It's just very uncomfortable because the strap around it isn't as fitted as I would want to, so it's putting a lot of pressure on my foot because in the fit, I don't know if you guys could see. Let me see if we can take the camera. So this is what the heels is looking like. So the next dress is this long dress that reach all the way to my ankle. Like, I'm literally in love with this dress. I did order this dress to wear for my birthday, but I ended up wearing something else. Like, I really love this dress. Like, I cannot wait to wear this dress out. I got this in a size small because I knew a size medium would have been too big, because I read the review and they did say that the material is stretchy. Like, it is stretchy, like an expensive stretchy. So yeah, this is what it's looking like from afar. I really love it. It have this like roach. I don't know how to pronounce the word, honestly. If you guys know how to pronounce it, like spell out the word in the comments and pronounce it for me. But it's like this roach ripple material, I would say. In the back it has this line that goes all the way down, which kind of make your assets look a little bit bigger. I did pair it with these brown heels. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera right now because the lighting is fluctuating, but yeah, I really love this dress. Like, I cannot wait to wear this dress. When I do wear this dress, I definitely have to wear it with a girdle because my belly is definitely shooting. But otherwise from that, I am in love with this dress. Okay, so the next dress is this leopard print dress. It is short, I must say, but the length is adjustable based on this drawstring. Like, you can have it as long as you want, and if you want, you could pull it up. When I'm wearing this, I definitely have to wear it with one of them girl pants because my belly, but this is how it's looking. I did pair it with the same black heels that I had on previously. They are uncomfortable, but they are a perfect match for this dress. I did wear this dress some time ago last year, but the vibe that I went for last year wasn't like a nice sexy vibe. I just paired it with some flats. I'm definitely going to wear it again. I'm going to pair it with these heels and probably a different hairstyle. But otherwise from that, this dress is giving. It is so sexy. I really like it. Okay guys, so that's basically it for this clothing haul. This is my first clothing haul, so you know, I had to like tweak the settings, the camera setting, like just the angles, everything. It wasn't perfect, but definitely I learned a lot. So next time when I'm recording one, I'm gonna get the angles, the right angles, so it goes to the shoes, goes to the clothes, goes to everything. But other from that, I really enjoyed making this video. It was kind of hectic, changing clothes, but otherwise I don't regret it. I really like SHEIN clothing. Like, they are comparable to Fashion Nova. The quality is not as good as Fashion Nova, but for the price, you pay for what you get, and them look good. So yeah, as I said, that's it for the video guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.